Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your LLC mailing and principal address on Sunbiz, Florida, step by step. This process is simple, but it's important to do it correctly so your business records stay up to date with the state. First, open your browser and go to sunbiz.org, which is the official website of the Florida Division of Corporations. On the home page, look for the section called Limited Liability Company and click on Amendment or Change of Address. This will take you to the page where you can file your update online. Next, select File or Correct Articles of Organization if you're updating the main principal address, or Amendment Mailing Address if you're only changing the mailing one. Both updates use a similar form, and you can complete them online in just a few minutes. Now, enter your LLC name exactly as it appears on Sunbiz. Then scroll down and update the principal office address. This is your LLC's main business location. After that, enter your new mailing address if it's different. Double-check both addresses for accuracy because this information will appear publicly on Sunbiz. Once that's done, you'll need to fill out the signature section. The form must be signed by a member or manager authorized to act on behalf of the LLC. Then you'll move to the payment section. The filing fee is $25 and you can pay securely online using a credit or debit card. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation screen, and within a few minutes, your updated record will appear on the Sunbiz website. You can verify it by searching your LLC name on the Document Searches page to confirm your new address has been updated. And that's it. That's how you change your LLC mailing and principal address on Sunbiz, Florida, quickly and correctly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.